Welcome to Whistle AI. Today we are going to start some of the yoga exercise for kids, which you can do at your home. So let's first sit for a minute and inhale from nose and exhale deeply to calm yourself. Following next, you will see a timer running on top right corner. Now we shall begin. Pranamasana, the prayer. Stand straight, glue your palms together, and take a deep breath to say hello to the sun. Hasta Uttanasana, the sky reach. Reach for the stars. Stretch your hands high, high up and try to tickle the clouds. Hasta Padasana, the toe touch. Now bend down and say hello to your toes. Keep your legs straight like a soldier. Ashwa-sanchalasana, the galloping horse. Step one leg back like a fast horse. Look up at the horizon and get ready to gallop. Dandasana, the stick or plank. Make your body as stiff as a wooden board. Don't let your tummy sag or your bottom go too high. Bhujangasana, the slithering cobra. Hiss like a snake. Look up at the ceiling and show off your sparkly cobra chest. Parvatasana, the mountain. Push your bottom up to the sky. You're now a giant, strong mountain. Ashwa-sanchalasana, the horse again. Bring that horse back home. Step your foot forward and look at the sun again. Hasta Padasana, the toe touch. Jump your feet together and give your toes one last high five. Hasta Uttanasana. One more big reach. Say thank you to the sky. Pranamasana. Bring your hands home to your heart. You did it! Now, let's move further with some other asana, which will help child to improve the balance and coordination. Trikonasana, the human triangle. Step your feet out wide. Now tilt over and reach for your ankle while your other hand points to the clouds. Look up at your thumb and you've just turned your body into a giant triangle. Let's do Trikonasana at other side. Hold your horses for a while. Shalabhasana, the flying grasshopper. Lie on your belly like a bug in the grass. Now, 1, 2, 3, lift. Lift your chest and your legs high. You're a grasshopper jumping through the air. How high can you fly? Dhanurasana, the magic bow. Stay on your belly and reach back to grab your ankles. Now, pull your legs up and lift your chest. You look just like a bow ready to shoot an arrow of kindness. Siddhasana, the peaceful star. Sit down and cross your legs comfortably. Make your back as tall as a skyscraper. Touch your thumb and first finger together to make a little O and rest them on your knees. Close your eyes and feel as calm as a quiet star. Just relax. Inhale from your nose and this time exhale from your mouth. Thank you for completing the yoga asana. If you like our video, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye!